from the mountains to the seas. 50 years of unity, yeah. Through the struggles we held on tight. PNG, you shine so bright. Raise the flag up high. Sing our song with pride. Celebrate our land, our love, our people side by side. 50 years strong, PNG. We stand together, we sing the song. Celebrate our history, inspire tomorrow. No more pain, just joy after sorrow. Voices echo from the past. Dreams of freedom built to last. From the highlands down to the islands, we walk in light of a brighter day. Raise the flag up high, up high. Keep the fire alive. Celebrate our history, inspire tomorrow. Hope we carry, love we follow. My island home. Unity and diversity. Our culture is our melody. From kundus to bamboo drum sounds, we rise together, solid celebrate our history, inspire tomorrow. Through the struggles, joy we borrow. Yeah! Celebrate our past, inspire the youth. Hold the flame of love and truth.
Papua New Guinea is now independent. The constitution of the independent state of Papua New Guinea, under which all power rests with the people, is now in effect. We have at this point in time broken with our colonial past, and we now stand as an independent nation in our own right.